Here's how you install a set in stone module. It's very important that you use this module or use this box when you're installing or engineered wall lights. If there's ever an issue or a problem with the fixture, you'll never get it out of the wall unless you install this box. So make sure that you always install this previous to installing the light while you're doing the construction of the wall. This little box is designed to sit on the last stone of your wall before you put the cap on. What you'll do is you will grind the top stone, this little box area. You will need a grinder to grind the notch out of the top stone piece. This module will then now sit down inside of the top of the course before the finished top piece goes on. This module will hide inside of that wall. Once this is installed, you can then come back and slide your fixture in. And if there's ever an issue, you can then remove the fixture, replace it, and slide it back inside. Without this module, you will have to tear the cap off of the walls. Very important piece of equipment right here. But at the end of the day, these three little ports, you bring your wires in. We have conduit that slips on to these ports. This allows the wire to come in and the next wire to come out and continue on to the next box. Once this is installed, you will have your wire hanging out from inside the wall. You make your connection to that wire, slide this back inside, your connection will go, I'm just sliding the wire through the hole, but the connection will slide inside of this little box area. This then slides inside, and that's your finished look. Your wall comes up, your cap goes on, and that's complete.